Welcome to New York!
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now descending into New York City.
New York City is sound that is musical and beautiful, and knowing that you're a part of that and you're a part of what makes the city so loud is incredible. Just look around and take it all in.
But when your friends are there and you're there, it's
Everybody wanna go, gotta go, quick. I love the city.
Fresh, nice and hot pretzel. Well, you want salt or no salt?
New York City can be extremely loud, but together we create one of the greatest cities in the world, and so worth being a part of.